Nike is set to reintroduce the Shox TL in fall/winter 2025 with a fresh Seaweed colorway that channels Y2K street-style flair. First launched in 2003, the silhouette's design remains loyal to its less is more philosophy, featuring deep green mesh panels, padded textures on the toe and tongue, and durable TPU overlays. Silver gunmetal details on the swoosh, heel, and framework above the iconic Shox cushioning bring subtle contrast without overpowering the look. The streamlined construction and practical tones make this pair a standout option for colder seasons, blending functionality with bold aesthetics. Its clean finish and thoughtful color balance have already earned attention online, positioning it as one of the most striking Shox TL additions in recent memory. Though Nike has yet to confirm the official release date, fans of the retro-inspired sneaker can expect it to retail at $180 when it finally drops.